Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. If you are new to this, hit the subscription button and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. I am Nayas from Tecnico MDN. So in this session, I will be explaining about data structures and arrays that are required to solve our next challenge.
Holy Grail.
So let's get started. Data structures. Data structure is a way of organizing data that enables efficient storage, efficient retrievals, and using of the code or using of the constraints very effectively. This is very simple example we can say is for example student data structure where the structure is of student where the entities will be like register number, marks, name, so on. Moving on, arrays. It's a type of data structure. Arrays is a kind of a data structure. So let's get into the depth of the arrays. A type of data structure that stores elements of the same type. That is the same data type. It's important to note that you will often see arrays referred to as A in the documentation, but the variable names you use when coding should be descriptive and begin with lowercase letter. Note that arrays must be declared very oftenly or it's a good practice to declare the arrays with lowercase letters. You can think of an array capital A of size n as a contiguous block of cells sequentially indexed from 0 to n minus 1. Note that array's index value starts from 0 and ends with n minus 1, which serves as containers for elements of the array's declared data type. To store an element value in some index I of array A, use the syntax A of I, where A is the array name, I refers to the index value of the array. For example, if you have declared an array of size A, for example, a size of 10, then A of 5 refers to the index value of fourth element, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So here is an example, A of I is equal to value. So let's move on to the next slide. Now let us see the example of array. Here is an example where the number of elements we want to hold is of 4. So final is a keyword as we discussed in some previous videos. Final int and the variable is starting with the underscore array size is equal to 4. Next, our array declaration will be like this. String. For example, if you are declaring the array of type string, so the syntax will be like this. String, square brackets, array name, that is string array, equal new string of underscore array size. You can observe that underscore array size, this variable is storing the value of size of the array, that is 4. Don't get confused with this thing because the array size is not interactively given. It is previously, it is just assigned to 4. So it will not change. Since the final keyword is also used, the array size will never change in the entire program of this snippet. Moving on to the for loop. In for loop, we have declared I int I is equal to 0, I less than underscore array size, that is I less than 4. And next, entering to the loop, string array of I is equal to, this is stored in index. So this will be the string followed by plus I. Plus I means the value of I. Basically it is assigned to 0, and when it is incremented in the next step, that is I plus plus, and again it will check that is 1 less than or equal to array size, then it will print 1. As you can see in the below output screen, this is stored in index 0. In the second loop, when it enters in the second loop, it will print 1, and in next loop 2 followed by 3. So when I becomes 4, the condition become false, so the console gets break out of the for loop. So this is how a data structure, that is array, is working, and how we declare and how we use. I hope this session gave you a basic idea of data structure and arrays. So to get to know how it actually works and how we use in the real world problems, just watch the next upcoming video that will be of solving a hacker rank problem over arrays. Thank you. Meet you all in the next video.